Imagine me giving Aaron any arm work if this is going on. Biceps, triceps, what am I doing, right? Am I helping him? Am I actually strengthening him? Or am I just loading a system that's already overloaded? Now, on the other hand, right, if I free him up, and believe it or not, majority of our clients, despite decades of chronic pain, it takes only about 12 sessions or so before they can, even earlier, some people around session 8, before they can start to now strengthen. Now here, Aaron, go ahead and lift your arms, right? And he can do whatever he needs. And he can do shoulder presses, he can do chest presses, he can do bicep curls, right? Let's do this again, right? I'm gonna pull, pull, pull. Good. Aaron, pretend that you're doing a chest press. Yeah, like try to lift it, like where what? Okay, right, okay? It's practically laughable, but it's ouchable, okay? So please, if you're dealing with chronic pain and someone told you, well, you've got to strengthen, please don't load that way. We love strength work. Exercise strength work is a positive stress, but there's a time and a place and a sequence. You've got to restore well-being. You've got to have someone able to just stand without pain, sit without pain, sleep without pain. Then, yes, absolutely, once we achieve this, we want to strengthen that new place. So please, please, please get yourself realigned and assessed and well, and then create more movement, develop more strength.